In today's video, we're going to be stealing some honey. This hive has two to three boxes of honey on this hive, and hopefully we're going to take all three of those off and give them some more room to do what they need to. We also need to check the nucleus hive to see if that split went well, and the other hive to make sure they've got enough room. Well, I think I got about 8 or 9 frames of honey, so about 45 pounds of honey pulled out of the main hive behind me. They are building this top box up with new comb, and they're building it from the bottom of the frame up instead of from the top of the frame down. So never seen them do that before. That's interesting. Got to get the black bucket right there so that I can process the honey at a low temperature, low enough that we consider it to still be raw honey. It maintains all the benefits of local raw unfiltered honey. And we've got a lot of work to do inside, so that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Share these videos. I'd like to get the message out further, teach others how to keep bees, how easy it really is. I'd really like to get the comments going, blow that up, ask questions, free advice, all of that. So, Willowbrook Apiary and honeybees, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.